Now, question 10, there you've got a formula that says that the total pay is equal to the time in hours that the person's worked and the rate of pay they received each hour. And what you can see, I've written out the formula here, and I've put open brackets ready to receive the numbers. So replace the letters with open brackets. And in the first question, Betty's worked 10 hours, okay, and then her rate of pay is 7. And in part B, John's worked 15 hours and at a rate of £9 an hour. And Mike, he's worked 90 minutes. Well, remember, time was given to us in hours. So 90 minutes is 1.5. And we have how much he gets paid. He gets paid £16 an hour. And so for those ones, I'm literally just going to put them in the calculator. Well, actually, I don't need to do that for 7 times 10. That's £70. And for 10, because you're 90/45, you put that into calculator, you get 135. And here we're going to get 16 plus 8, which is £24. In question 11, we've got this formula that tells you what y is if you know what x is. And so what I'm doing here is I'm going to replace this x with open brackets, as I've done here and here. And they want me to replace the x with 0 in part I, and in I they want me to replace it with 1, and then I they want me to replace it with 2. And again, I can just put this into calculator, but you get 2. Put that into calculator, you get 5, and you put that into calculator, you get 8. And 11 part B, we've got y equals 3x plus 2. And in y equals 3x plus 2, this time they tell us that y is equal to 17. So it's the y I'm replacing. So I'm going to put open brackets around the y and leave that alone and put 17 in here. Once I do that, I can then write that as 17 equals 3x plus 2. And what I have is an equation. And depending on how you do it, in your mind, some people do this change size, change signs equals 3x. This would give you, where the plus 2 is moved from the right to the left, so it becomes minus 2, giving you 15 equals 3x. And then divide by whatever's in front of the x, which is 3, and that gives you x is equal to 5. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it would be to go bring your letters to the left, change size, change signs equals plus 2 minus 17. So this becomes minus 17. Get minus 3x equals minus 15. Just put that into your calculator. Divide by whatever's in front of the x, which is minus 3. Okay, and that would also give you x is equal to 5. And then finally, another way of doing it would be 17 equals 3x plus 2 would be to take 2 from both sides. Now you can either do it written on the page like that, or you can just do it in your head. Okay, the fluffy clouds means that you do it in your head. And 3x equals 15, and therefore x is equal to 5.